Push.
Push.
Yeah, push.
Push.
She went home.
She was.
Went.
She
Went.
went.
Yeah, so where
And.
She went
She went.
home.
She went home.
Yes.
She went home.
She went home.
She went home.
Yes, it's very good. Perfect. Get some rest.
Get some
Some rest.
rest.
Get some rest.
Get some rest.
Yeah. Get some rest.
Get some rest.
Yeah.
Get some rest.
Yes.
Took.
I took it.
Took.
Yeah. I took it.
I took it.
I took it.
I took it.
Yeah.
I took it.
Yeah. Woke.
Woke.
I woke up.
I woke up.
Yes. Flower.
Flower.
Yeah, flower.
Now that you've learned those words, let's learn what they mean. Push means to move something away from you, to physically move it away from you. So it's using your hands and your body to move something away from you. Some examples of this would be to push the door open, or to push a shopping cart, or to push a heavy box or heavy object. Meaning number 2 could also mean to press a button on a telephone. You're pressing the buttons. You need to push or press a button to turn it on. Basically the same thing. Push or press to turn something on. Meaning number 4 is to encourage somebody strongly. It's not physical, it's emotional or supportive. It's encouragement. For instance, my coach pushed me to do an extra strong workout today. So pushing could be a way of encouraging at the same time. And the last one is marketing and selling. So companies will push their newest brand. They will push their newest phone. For instance, this brand is pushing their brand new skincare products. This brand is promoting its brand new phone. The next phrase that we had gone over was she went home. And the meaning for that is the person went back to their house or went back to their apartment or wherever they're living. Some of the reasons why somebody would go home in a common everyday situation could be these. She was tired, so she went home. The next phrase we went over was get some rest. So there's basically 3 different meanings for get some rest. One would be to sleep. The other one would be to get a light rest, so maybe go home and get a nap. And the third one would be recovering from stress or a lot of hard work and just taking it easy, not working so hard. Not rest, but still taking it easy. Maybe closing your eyes and laying down on the couch or just watching TV, but not really working really hard or doing a lot of manual labor. The next one we went over was I took it. I took it. Meaning number 1 is I accepted something that was offered. So somebody gave me something and I accepted it. I took it. Meaning number 2, picked up something. I saw a box on the table and I took it. I picked it up, put it someplace else. I took the box. And another meaning for it is the job presented itself to me, so I took it. So the job offer was good, so I took it. The next words were woke. I woke up. There's actually several different meanings for this. The first meaning could be waking up after a full night's sleep. You woke up after sleeping overnight, or you woke up after taking a nap. I woke up. Number 2 could be the alarm. The alarm sound woke me. I woke because of the alarm. The alarm woke me. But it's kind of like a startle. That sound woke me up. Woke can also mean being aware, hyper aware of social issues. So they'll say you're woke, meaning your focus is very much on those things. Those are very important for you. The next word we went over was flower. Flower. So the definition of a flower is the colorful part of a plant that blooms. So it's the colorful part of a plant that blooms. So roses are red and are a symbol of love. Tulips are a real simple yet colorful flower. So tulips are very colorful but very simple at the same time. Then sunflowers are a big yellow flower that always face the sun. So you can use flowers for decoration, to give to people, or to grow out in your yard.
Do housework.
Do housework.
I don't want to do housework.
I don't
Want to do
want to do
housework.
housework.
I don't want to do housework.
I don't want to do housework. Work out.
Very good. Work out.
Work out.
Yes. Take a bath.
Take a bath.
I want to take a bath.
I want take a bath.
To
To
take a bath.
take a bath.
Take a walk.
Take a walk.
Yes.
Take a walk.
Take a walk.
Take a walk.
I want to take a walk.
I want to take a walk.
Yes.
I want to take a walk.
Yes, very good. I want to have dinner.
I want to have dinner.
Yes. Make dinner.
Make dinner.
Yeah, make dinner.
Make dinner.
Very good. Have dinner.
Have dinner.
Yeah, have dinner.
Have dinner.
Now let's learn what these activity words actually mean. Do housework is to clean your home, clean around the apartment, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning your home. And another added sentence that you could say would be do housework today. I need to do housework today. And the next one, I don't want to do housework. I don't want to do housework. And that means I dislike housework. I do not want to do housework that day or anytime. It's a statement. I don't want to do housework. You don't want to clean. And the next one, work out. Work out. That's exercise. So when you exercise, you're considered working out. Working out is also considered exercise. A sentence could be, I need to work out today. I need to work out today. And the next one, take a walk outside. I am going to take a walk outside. And the next one, have dinner. I would like to have dinner. It means eat dinner. A sentence could be, I need to have dinner soon. And the next one, make dinner. Make dinner. That means cook dinner, prepare dinner, cook dinner. And a sentence could be, have dinner soon. I need to have dinner soon. And the next one, make dinner, is cook the meal. And a sentence could be, make dinner tonight. I need to make dinner tonight. Make dinner tonight. All right, guys, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. It's best to watch it over and over again daily for the next 2 weeks, and that kind of cements the learning. Repetition is all it's going to take, and you will be able to do it. Please subscribe, like, follow, comment. Leave me your comments of what you like in the videos, what you'd like to see more in the videos, as I'm recording more and more every single week. So thanks so much for watching.